Hi there, in this video I will show you how to schedule email on Outlook. So for this you need to click on new email here. Create a mail first, add a sender and then add a subject. So I will add my other email here. Now we need to add a subject here. So once you are done with your email, there we have this drop down arrow in front of send. Click on it and now go to schedule. From here you can choose a timing or you can custom time. So from here you can choose the date and also you can choose the time. Date is selected. Now select the time. Okay, so we want to send it to 9:30 and then click on send. As you can see, the email is scheduled. That's how you can schedule emails on Outlook. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next one. Bye.